Hello everyone and welcome back to FunMathology. Now today's topic is how to subtract fractions. So mainly we'll be focusing on subtraction of fraction with unlike denominators. But before moving on, we'll be obviously seeing subtraction of fraction with same denominator. Now this is the part 10 of the fraction series, right? So we have already gone through how to add fractions, right? So in a very similar sense, we'll be doing the process in subtraction also. So let's jump into the first aspect of the subtraction, that is subtraction of fraction with the same denominators, or otherwise also known as like fractions. See, we have taken two examples. The first example is 5 by 7 minus 1 by 7. So these fractions are like fractions. Why? Because denominators are same, 7. See, right? So in this case, subtract the numerator, as you have seen, subtract the addition, in addition you have seen addition of the numerators keeping the denominator same. So in subtraction, the rules are almost same. Subtract the numerator keeping the denominator same. Simplify if required at the end of the result. So let's see. So we'll subtract the numerator keeping the denominator same. So 5 minus 1 is 4 by 7. So this is the answer. So this is the, there is no common factors between the numerators and denominators. So we'll keep this fraction as 4 by 7 only. So there is no need to simplify this. Got it? So we have seen proper fractions, right? Subtraction of proper fractions. So what if you have subtraction of mixed fractions, right? So see, again, the concept remains the same. So you can straight away convert this into improper fraction and then subtract, or you can do what? Subtract the whole and the fraction individually. So let's see the first one. Subtract the whole and the fraction individually. So what you need to do? So see, 5 whole 7 by 11 can also be written as 5 plus 7 by 11, right? Minus 2 whole 4 by 11 can also be written as 2 plus 4 by 11, right? So see, next what to do? Subtract the whole and the fraction, the whole and the fractional part individually. So what we will do? So 5 minus 2 plus 7 by 11 minus 4 by 11. Right? So 5 minus 2 is 3, 7 minus 4 is 3 by 11. So 3 by 11. So 3 whole 3 by 11. So we can write 3 by 11. Got it? Or you can do convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and subtract. Very simple. So 11 5s are 55. 55 plus 7 is 62. Got it? So or, I'll write here or, you can convert this into improper fraction. See, 11 5s are 55 plus 7 is 62 by 11, the first improper fraction, minus 11 into multiplied by 2 plus 4. So 22 plus 4 is 26 by 11. So this is 36 by 11. Subtracting the numerators, keeping the denominator same. So this is 3 by 11. Got it? So whichever is comfortable for you, so you can adapt it according to your choice. Okay? So in some cases, the first method, that is subtracting the whole and the fraction individually, will prove to be a time saver, and the below one, converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction and then subtract can be a time saver. So whatever you feel like, you can adapt. Okay? So this is subtraction of fraction with the same denominator. Now let's come to the main topic of this lecture, that is subtracting fraction with unlike denominators. So you know that unlike denominators, what happens in addition, that you have seen. So in addition, what we have seen? So we have converted the common we have converted these fractions into common denominators by finding out the LCM. So what it means? Conversion of unlike fraction into like fractions. So the first step would be conversion of unlike fraction into like fractions. So converting them into common denominators by finding out the LCM. Now you can follow the steps that we have just seen. Got it? So let's see. The first example is 9 by 10 minus 5 by 12. So this are unlike denominators. So let us find out the LCM of 10 and 12 would be 60. Got it? Now you can convert this 9 by 10 into like fractions. How? You have to multiply with such a number, you have to multiply 10 by such a number that it becomes the LCM. So 10 into 6, so hence the numerator also should be multiplied by 6, so it becomes 54 by 60. Got it? Again, same process for the second fraction also. So multiplied by 5, numerator multiplied by 5, so 25 by 60. Got it? So 54 by 60 minus 25 by 60 is equal to 29 by 60. Got it? So if needed be, you can simplify. So there is no question of simplification here. So we'll keep it 29 by 60. So this is an proper fraction. So should not be converted into mixed fractions. So there is no way that it can be converted into mixed fractions because this is a proper fractions. So let's come to the second one. So what is that? So these are obviously unlike denominators but are mixed fractions, right? So what you need to do, very simple. You can follow the step where the whole numbers and the fraction should be subtracted individually. So let's do it. So we can write 11 4 by 9 as 11 plus 4 by 9. So minus 6 whole 4 by 11 can be written as 6 plus 4 by 11. So we'll subtract separately the whole and the factors, the fractions individually. Minus 4 by 11. So this comes 5. 11 minus 6 is 5. Now here you can follow the butterfly trick that I have shown you in addition case. So you can apply the same butterfly trick here. See, 9 into 11, see what do you need to do? So you need to multiply this one and you need to multiply this one. So this multiplied by this minus this multiplied by this divided by this multiplied by this. So let's do it. So 11 into 4 is 44. Minus 9 into 4 is 36. Divided by 9 into 11 is 99. So this becomes 5 plus, got it, 8 by 99. So 5 plus 8 by 99. So there is no question of simplification here. So we'll keep it 5 whole 8 by 99 will be the answer. Got it? Okay. Or you can do, you can convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, then you can subtract. Okay? Or you can convert them into improper fractions. Like let's say 9 into 11 is 99 plus 4 is 103. Divided by 9. Minus 11 into 6 is 66 plus 4 is 70 by 11. So let's see, 103 butterfly, 103 into 11, 70 into 9 and divided by 9 into 11. So if I multiply 103 into 11, it becomes 1133 minus 630 divided by 99, it becomes 503 by 99 and it leads to 5 whole 8 by 99. So you can follow either of them. Okay, so I hope you have followed the subtraction as well as you have followed the addition. If you have any questions regarding these two operations in fractions, one is addition and subtractions. You can put them in the comment box and I'll answer them as soon as possible. Okay, thank you student, thanks for watching. We'll soon meet. Bye bye.